All right, another early thing to check out is adding HP. Whether you add that HP hit points to an enemy or you add it to your own guy, they're fairly similar coding. So I'm going to do it with an enemy, this particular one, and just show you kind of what went on. So if we go to object bad guy, I'm going to look first in his create event. And here in his create event, I just have a little user created variable called HP equals 2. So we're going to start there, and that initializes our HP. Izzy asked me, could I have different HP in one room and another? And all you'd have to do is say, if room equals, room 1, then HP equals 1, or if room equals room 2, then HP equals 3. You could change the AP creation code for rooms depending on an if, then, or a conditional statement. And that's fine. So let's just look at the step function and see what we got here. In the step function, it's all down here. So maybe I'll just do a few returns to see a little bit more what's going on. So down here, so normally we would say if place meeting, and I'm right here, takes damage, we decrease the variable HP. All right. So down here, if place meeting XY object laser, that's a take damage, decrease HP. All we did was we say HP minus equals 1, so it'll take away. And then down here, dies, this is again where when HP zeros, character destroys. Okay, so down here. So basically this couple sets of lines right in here. If place meeting, take damage by just saying HP minus equals 1. And this is how to check a collision. And then down here, if he dies, then it just says instance destroy and audio play sound. So good enough. At the bottom, I guess I'll show you one more thing while I'm here. So I did another skin in case he gets hit. So if HP equals 2, image index equals 0. And if HP equals 1, image index equals 1. Along with that, in the creation code, I set his image speed, don't animate, if you can see up here at the top, equal to 0, so he doesn't animate. And I'll just show you what that sprite looks like while we're at it. So we'll go up here and we'll look at sprites. And notice if I get into sprite, bad guy, and I hit edit sprite, there's actually two sprites here. I got image subindex 0 and image subindex 1, where it actually makes a face. So what I do with the HP of 2 is the first time he gets hit, I switch to a bad face. And then the second time he gets hit, it plays a sound of explosion and he disappears. I have a hard time shooting these guys, but I'm going to try it again. So we're going to shoot him, and hopefully if I hit one of them, you can see a bad face come up because he's got 1 HP taken away. And then if I kill him, there we go, he'll make a sound and he'll disappear. And if he kills me, I won't do anything yet. I'll just disappear because I haven't got it coded. But there you go, putting HP in something, and even maybe using a image index to change a sprite so that you can tell he's been hit once. You could do that with color, or I did it with a sad face or whatever else. But those are actually kind of good things because that's along the lines of a game design element called feedback. You're giving the user feedback that shooting him was a good thing, and also that you've already scored 1 hit. Good enough for today. Thanks.